mass 80 milligram carrying a charge of 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb is at rest in uniform horizontal electric field. E is equal to 20,000 volt per meter. Find the tension in the thread of the pendulum and the angle it makes with the vertical. Given G is 10 meter per second square. So, let us consider the free body diagram for the given case. So, there is a pendulum. So, this is, let us say, vertical at that particular point. Now, pendulum bob is held due to electric field. So, it comes to rest at this particular position. Now, there is force Q into E acting on the bob in this direction. Tension in the thread is T this way. Weight of the bob mg is acting this way, right? So, now this angle is theta. This is what we have to find. We have to find this theta and also the tension. Now, resolve this tension into two components, one along vertical, one along horizontal. So, vertical component will be T cos theta, horizontal component will be T sin theta. Now, we know that for equilibrium, T cos theta should balance weight mg and T sin theta should balance QE. So, divide the two, you will get tan theta is equal to QE by mg, right. So, they have given all the values. So, just substitute and simplify. Q is 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. Electric field is 20,000, that is 2 into 10 to the power 4. Mass of the bob is 80 milligram, that is 80 into 10 to the power minus 6. G is 10. So, if you simplify this, you will get it half. So, tan theta is equal to half. So, if tan theta is equal to half, we will get sin theta is equal to 1 divided by root of 2 square plus 1 square. See, tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So, adjacent is 2, opposite is 1. So, sin theta should be opposite, that is 1 divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse should be 2 square plus 1 square. So, that is equal to 1 by root 5, right. So, sin theta is equal to 0.4472, you will get so theta will be equal to 27 degree 3 minutes. Okay, you can find it from tan theta also. Then substitute sin theta is equal to 1 by root 5 in this equation. What do you get? T by root 5 is equal to QE. So, T is equal to QE into root 5. So, substitute the values 10 to the power minus 8 into 2 into 10 to the power 4 one more 2 here, 2 into 2 into 10 to the power 4 into root 5. So it turns out to be 8.94 into 10 to the power 4 minus 4 Newton. So that is option D.